Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video, we are going to solve some examples on algebra of matrices. It is video part 6. In part 5, I have solved some example on algebra matrices which were simple examples. This is bit complicated example. The student who are not watched all my previous videos, part 1 to part 5 of matrices, I request them to watch all these my videos. The link of which is given below in the description box. So we shall start with part number 6. The first example is find the values of x and y if you are given the equations in matrix form. Solution. Now we solve these equations. First we solve the innermost bracket. In the innermost bracket, 3 is multiplied to the every element of the matrix. 2 is also multiplied to the every element of this matrix. It is 3 is scalar multiplication, 2 is scalar multiplication. That is, keeping this matrix same as it is, 2 0 3, multiply 3 inside a bracket, it is 18 9 minus 3 6 15 12 plus multiply 2 inside the matrix, minus 8 minus 2 2 0 minus 6 minus 8, this bracket complete, curly bracket complete, is equal to xy. That is, now we add this 2 bracket first, 2 0 3, matrix addition, corresponding element we add, this is equal to 18 minus 8, that is 10, 9 minus 2 7, minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1, 6 plus 0 6, 15 minus 6, that is 9, 12 minus 8 is 4, is equal to xy. Now matrix multiplication, the order of this matrix is 1 into 3, the order of matrix is 2 1 into 3 and order of this matrix is 3 into 2. So resultant matrix is of order 3 1 into 2. Therefore, that is, we take first row, first column, 2 into 10, that is 20, 0 into minus 1 is 0, 3 into 9 is 27. Now we take first row and second column, 2 into 7, that is 14, 0 into 3, 0 into 6 is 0, 4 into 3 is 12, is equal to xy. That is, the sum of this is 47, sum of this is 26, is equal to xy. Now by equality of two matrices, the corresponding elements are equal. Therefore, x is equal to 47 and y is equal to 26. This is the answer of this. We have solved this example and answer is x is equal to 47 and y is equal to 26. Next, example number 2. If A is equal to matrix 3 4 minus 4 3 and B is a matrix 2 1 minus 1 2, show that A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Solution. Now we have to show that A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B. That is to show that we expand this a into a minus b plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We multiply this factor to, it is a post multiplied, so we post multiplied to the matrix A plus B by distributive law. That is to show that we multiply A, it is a pre-multiplied to this matrix, so A into A square minus A into B. We pre-multiplied B matrix to the bracket A minus B, so plus B into A minus B square, B into B square is equal to A square minus B square. Now cancelling the common factor, A square get cancelled, B square minus B square get cancelled. That is to show that minus AB plus BA is equal to 0. That is to show that BA is equal to AB. Now, in order to show this, it is sufficient to show that BA is equal to AB. So, we proceed to find the product of the matrices BA and AB. Therefore, AB is equal to, A is given matrix 3 4 minus 4 3 and B is a matrix 2 1 minus 1 2. Now, we find the multiplication is equal to, we take first row, first column, this is 2 into 2 matrix, this is also 2 into 2 matrix. So, resultant matrix AB is of order 2 into 2. So, this is equal to, we take first row, first column, 3 into 2 6, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 3, now first row, second column, 3 into 1 3, 4 into 2 is 8. Now, first second row, first column, minus 8 minus 3, second row, second column, minus 4 plus 6. Now, we take addition, 6 minus 4 it is 2, 3 plus 8 is 11, minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11, minus 4 plus 6 is 2. So, this is a matrix AB. Now, we find BA. B is a matrix 2 1 minus 1 2 and A is given matrix 3 4 minus 4 3. We find multiplication. This is also 2 into 2 matrix, this is also 2 into 2, they are conformable for the product and resultant matrix BA is of order 2 into 2. So, this is, we take first row, first column, 2 into 3 6, 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4. First row, second column, 8 plus 3. Second row, first column, minus 3 minus 8. Second row, second column, minus 4 plus 6. So, this is equal to 2, 11 minus 11 and it is 2. So, this is number 1, 2, 3. Now, you observe that AB and BA are the same matrix. Therefore, from 2 and 3 we get AB is equal to BA. Hence, we proved the given equation, that is A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Example number 3, if A is equal to matrix 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 and B is a matrix 2 A minus B B, and if the equation is given A plus B bracket square is equal to A square plus B square, then find the values of A and B. Solution, we have given the two matrices A and B and one equations. We simplify this equation and we reduce it to a simple equations. That is A plus B bracket square is A plus B into A plus B is equal to A square plus B square. Now we multiply, that is A plus B bracket, it is post multiplied to the every element, every terms of the bracket. Therefore A into A plus B into A plus B is equal to A square plus B square. We know that in general matrix multiplication is not commutative, means AB is not equal to BA. So multiplying A, pre-multiplying A to the each term of the bracket. Therefore A into A square plus A into B plus B into A plus B into B square is equal to A square plus B square. Now cancelling the same factor, A square on left and right hand side, B square we get AB plus BA is equal to 0. Therefore AB is equal to minus BA. This is equation number 1. Now in order to take this equation, it is very simple to take these equations, these relations. Here we have to find AB and BA and equate them with negation sign. Therefore first we find AB. A is a matrix 1 2 minus 1 minus 2. B is a matrix 2A minus 1B. Now the product of two matrices. We take first row, first column. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 2. First row, second column. 1 into A, 2 into B, 2B. Second column, second row, first column. Minus 2 plus 2. Minus 1 into A, minus 2 into B, minus 2B. So this is the equation number 2, it is AB. Now we find BA. BA is equal to B is 2A minus 1B and A is 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to, we take first row, first column, 2 into 1, that is 2. 1 into minus 1, minus A. First, second row, first column, minus 1, minus B. Now first row, second column, 4 minus 2A. Second column, second row, second column, minus 2 minus 2B. This is number 3. Now from 1, 2 and 3, from 1, 2 and 3, we get AB is equal to minus BA. So AB is, here AB is 2 minus 2, 0, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, A plus 2B minus A minus 2B, minus BA is 2 minus A, 4 minus twice A, minus 1 minus B, minus 2 minus 2B, that is 0, A plus 2B, 0 minus A minus 2B is equal to, multiply minus, it is a scalar multiplication, it is multiplied to the every element of the matrix, that is minus 2 plus A plus 1 plus B minus 4 plus twice A plus 2 plus 2B. Now by equality of two matrices, the corresponding elements are same. Therefore, minus 2 plus A is equal to 0, 1 plus B is equal to 0, comparing first column with first column of the second matrix. And A plus 2B is equal to minus 4 plus twice A, and minus A minus 2B is equal to 2 plus 2B. Now from these equations we get the values of A is equal to 2 and B is equal to minus 1. Now we verify these values by putting A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 2 to these equations. By first A is equal to 2, it is become 2, B is equal to minus 1, that is minus 2. So it is 0, left hand is 0. By putting A is equal to minus 2, it is 4, minus 4 plus 4, it is 0. So first is verified. Now putting A is equal to 2 minus 2, B is equal to minus 1, that is minus 2 plus 2 is 0, and putting A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 1, 2 minus 2, that is 0. So this is also verified. Therefore, the values of A is equal to 2 and B is equal to minus 1. Last example, example number 4. Find the matrix X such that AX is equal to B, where A is a matrix 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 and B is a matrix minus 3 1. Solution. Now the equation as given, A into X is equal to B. We find the value of matrix X such that A is of order 2 into 2 and B is order 2 into 1. Now we choose the order of the matrix X such that the product of these two matrices, the order of the product of these two matrices should get 2 into 1. So that X, we shall take the matrix 2 into 1. We take X as 2 into 1 so that we get the matrix B of order 2 into 1. Therefore, let we take the matrix X as A, B, that is 2 into 1. Therefore, now AX is equal to B. Therefore, A is given matrix 1 minus 2 minus 2 1. X is a matrix AB and B is a matrix minus 3 minus 1. Therefore, matrix multiplication, we take first row first column, then second row first column. 1 into A, minus 2 into B, minus 2B. This is the first element. Now second row first column, minus twice A plus B is equal to minus 3 minus 1. So by equality of two matrices, corresponding elements are same. Therefore, A minus 2B is equal to minus 3 and minus 2A plus B is equal to minus 1. Now this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. We solve this equation by simultaneous equations. We multiply to the equation 2 by 2 and adding with first, that is taking equation 1 plus 2 into equation number 2, we get A minus 2B is equal to minus 3, multiply by 2 the equation number 2, it is minus 4A plus 2B is equal to minus 2, adding A minus 4A minus 3A, it is 0, this is equal to minus 5. Therefore, minus 3A is equal to minus 5. Therefore, A is equal to 5 by 3. Now, putting the value of A in equation 1, we get the value of B. Therefore, from equation 1, A is 5 by 3 minus 2b is equal to minus 3. Therefore, minus 2b is equal to minus 3 minus 5 by 3. It is equal to minus 9 minus 5 by 3. So, this is equal to minus 14 upon 3. Therefore, minus 2b is equal to minus 14 upon 3. So, b is equal to 7 by 3. So, this is the value of b and this is the value of a. In this way, we have solved the 4 simple example on matrices. This topic belongs to the 11th standard of Maharashtra State Board. Now, in my next video, we shall start with the topic from 12th standard for Maharashtra State Board. Thanking you for watching my video.